I can't fucking take you seriously.
Oh, fuck. Okay, start.
You get baking soda.
Baking soda.
I get baking soda.
Ugh.
We're gonna horseshoe this or just fucking dump it. One of the two.
I say, like, do we get a spoon? Because like, you can't pinch it. You gotta like open.
I'm
your
just
gums
gonna
and...
dump it.
Okay, but do we ketchup first and then this, or
No.
this and then ketchup?
This, then the ketchup.
Oh, we gotta hold a powder in our mouth. I'm
Yeah.
gonna inhale and die.
So, I'm gonna pull the tab off the ketchup right now, so I can just blast it in my mouth.
Are you gonna like,
Crazy.
squirt
I
it
know.
or just
Shut the fuck up, Axon.
So like, are we blasting like this, or are we gonna put it on and squirt?
We're squirt. Hot ketchup squirt.
You know what? You do it that way. I'm gonna do it this way. We'll see which one looks better.
Yeah, fine.
Oh,
We're doing it.
okay. I don't like ketchup this much.
Make sure we don't get baking
Oh my
soda in
God.
the ketchup.
Dude, that stinks.
All
The
right.
vinegar just comes right out.
Okay, open the box.
Yeah.
Oops, I really went aggressive on mine.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. Ready, Matt? Okay, so
That does not taste good.
no.
Only some people are gonna understand what that was.
Okay. You got your ketchup?
Oh man, that is. People brush their teeth with this?
Yeah. And they put it in their hair too.
What?
Yeah.
Y'all weird.
Alright.
I mean, we're the ones putting it in our mouths and chugging it with ketchup, so.
Are we gonna try and swallow this too?
Man, I want to wear this shit out too. Fucking.
Axon, can you
Yo,
grab that
mate.
bag so we don't puke all over it?
I don't think we're gonna puke.
We're gonna puke.
I think it's coming out our
Matt,
noses.
we always puke. We're not breaking tradition.
Yeah, that's because these evil people out here make us drink weird things like
Okay.
fucking buttermilk, which is really bad.
Okay, you ready for this?
No, like we
Okay.
just dump and dump,
Dump and dump.
dump and dump.
Pump and dump, baby.
Are we gonna count down, or like we're just gonna wait till one of us stops procrastinating? And
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I love it. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. It tastes like shit. I hate you people. I won't lie. You fucking suck. Instantly like foam down the back of my throat. If this is what it's like to be sodomized, I don't want it. Look, you want some? How about you still going? Oh man, that got like really salty. Like really
I
salty.
don't know, just to hold it in your mouth.
Yeah, I don't know why you're doing it. My wisdom's tooth coming in too, so like when it mixed, it started burning the back of my tooth. Dude, that was instantly disgusting. Why are you still going?
I'm trying to swallow it.
Why? I couldn't, like, it foamed up instantly and I threw up.
That's not gonna like your tummy. Your tummy's gonna
Oh, I really tried. I really tried on that. Give you one of those.
Dude, I just foamed right up and that was it.
So, I ruined my shirt. That was good. You kind of like hurled on my foot, by the way.
It foamed up and it was like, and I hurled right there. You got what was called being in the splash zone.
Oh yeah. So, let's step a little closer, Matt. Maybe not in the blast zone.
No, I got my shit kicked.
We're
We're
good. Man, I look like I just got out of the Scarface movie.
buddy.
Yeah. It wasn't that bad, honestly.
If the foaminess, it was weird.
It was like a really disgusting, salty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It got really salty.
Yeah. No. Anyway, give your boy a follow on YouTube. Anything you want to say, Matt?
Don't follow me, losers.
That's fair. Thank you.